They don't use blueprints or tools. But these animals are some of the greatest engineers on Earth. Meet the beaver, nature's architect. With strong teeth and powerful jaws, beavers chew down trees to build something extraordinary. Dams, structures that stop rivers, flood valleys, and create ecosystems. But why do they do it? Beavers build dams to create ponds, calm, deep water where they can build their real home. A lodge made of mud, branches, and leaves. It's warm, dry, and safe from predators. Inside they build tunnels, rooms, even ventilation shafts, all from instinct. But here's what's amazing. Their dams don't just help them, they transform entire landscapes. Beavers slow down water flow, reduce erosion, and help replenish groundwater. Their ponds become homes for frogs, fish, birds, and insects. Scientists call them ecosystem engineers because their work supports dozens of species. And when their dams break or flood, nature simply adjusts. In fact, some conservationists are now using artificial beaver dams to restore dry lands and revive rivers. These creatures remind us, you don't need machines to build something great, just persistence, teamwork, and a little mud. Like, follow, subscribe, and share for more unsung heroes of the wild.